Welcome back. Well, just a few minutes ago, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal held a news briefing where he not just spoke about the Unlock 1.0 plan for the national capital, but interestingly said that Delhi's borders with the other states like Uttar Pradesh and Haryana will remain sealed for the next 1 week. He's also sought suggestions from Delhiites, opening up portals where Delhiites can reach out to the government and give their opinion on whether the borders should be reopened. Kejriwal's point is, and it's clear that the government at least is leaning towards keeping the borders sealed, because he's saying then people from outside Delhi will come into the national capital for healthcare, which could perhaps lead to a crisis with regards to the availability of hospital beds. As we get you all the latest on the story, let's listen into some of the highlights of what Kejriwal said.
जैसे हम बॉर्डर्स खोलेंगे, देश भर से लोग अपना इलाज कराने के लिए दिल्ली में आएंगे। जो आज मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि 9,500 बेड्स हम लोगों ने आपके लिए रखे हुए हैं अगर कोरोना हो जाता है, जबकि आज दिल्ली में केवल 2300 पेशेंट्स हैं। ये बेड्स तो 2 दिन के अंदर भर जाएंगे अगर पूरे देश भर से लोग दिल्ली के अंदर आ गए तो।
Anisha Mathur is joining us live from Delhi with the latest on this story. Anisha, so Arvind Kejriwal there speaking about how markets are going to open up in the national capital. You're going to see a lot more relaxations in place in Delhi, but also interestingly maintaining that at this point the borders are going to remain sealed because the government fears that there could be a healthcare crisis, that there could be a crunch of hospital beds if the borders are reopened.
Well, yes, Akshita, that was the crux of today's PC by Arvind Kejriwal. He said that everything is now going to be open in Delhi, including all markets, salons, etc. Industries will remain open. But what he has flagged is that the healthcare system in Delhi has been prepared. What he said is that if we have enough beds right now, we give every treatment in Delhi government hospitals for free. But if we open the borders, and this is a very interesting point that the Chief Minister has raised, that if we open the borders of Delhi, then people from all across the country and the neighboring states will come to Delhi for free treatment. And that is why the beds that we have, 9,500 beds that are available in Delhi government hospitals, will be filled up very quickly. And that is why he's asked for suggestions from the Delhiites that whether the borders should be opened or not. Remember, the sealing of the borders has been a very, very big problem for a lot of people because traveling for work has remained a problem. Only people with passes and emergency services have been allowed. So
the question, Anisha, that Arvind Kejriwal has put forth is, should healthcare in Delhi be just for Delhiites or should it be for outsiders as well? And he's put that question to the Delhiites itself, asking for feedback till Friday. So till then, the borders remain sealed. Anisha, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.